Hello guys, welcome back to Secret Spice. This is KC and today, do you guys have 10 minutes of your time? Because we are gonna make a simple, quicker and tastier recipe, and that's gonna be coconut rice. So what are we waiting for? Let's get started. Okay guys, so I have my vessel over here and I heat it up with some 2 tablespoons of oil. It's on medium flame. Now I'm gonna add 1 teaspoon of my ghee. Okay. Now I have some cashew nuts over here and I'm gonna roast them. I'm adding these cashew nuts right now. Now I have my whole spices over here. I have 1 bay leaf, 2 anise stars, 5 cloves, 1 cinnamon stick, some tofu, and 3 to 4 cardamom pods, and I'm gonna drop them as well and give it a stir. Once the aroma starts popping up, just add the remaining things. I have my sliced onions. I'm gonna add. Now I'm adding half teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, not more. Oh wow, it smells great. Now I have my sliced chilies, 4 of them, which I'm adding. I have my mint leaves. I'm also adding them. You don't need to chop them, you can directly add them. Once the mint flavor starts coming out, I have over here coriander leaves, which I'm gonna add it as well. I have my green peas over here. You can add it, green peas, carrot or anything as you like. But this is also an optional if you don't like green peas. Most of the people don't like, so you can skip it. But I'm adding it. Just add some salt to it. Now I have my rice soaked basmati rice. It's like 1.5 cup. So I soaked it for about like 20 minutes. So I'm actually draining the water and then adding it right now. Just stir for about a minute. Add some salt to it. I'm adding it right now. Salt. Perfect. So I have over here 1 cup of my coconut milk which I'm dropping. And give it a really nice mix. Also gonna add the remaining water. Since I have done 1.5 cup of rice, make it just like 2.5 cups of water. Because since it's basmati rice and it's gonna cook faster than normal rice, you don't need to add 3 cups of water. Just add 2.5. That's gonna be fine. Since I ordered 1 cup of coconut milk, I added 1 cup of water, and now again I'm gonna add just one more half cup of water. Okay, that's it. Give a nice stir. Always check for the salt if you have the right amount of salt. Always check for it. Perfect. It's good. So turning off the flame right now, and I'm gonna move this vessel into my electric cooker, and I'm gonna cook it for about like 5 minutes. It's gonna take, if you can cook it on rice, and we are done. So let's go ahead and cook it, and we'll see how it's gonna turn out. Alright guys, so I cooked my rice in an electric cooker and served it into a plate. So hope you try this at home, and please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. So keep watching Secret Spice. Until then, signing off, Casey.